Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best back braces on Amazon. Back pain is one of the most common health issues these days. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Sparthos Back Brace. It's tough to balance the back support you need with your everyday comfort, but the Sparthos Back Brace can offer both. This brace is designed to allow you to live a normal life, walking, lifting, bending, and accomplishing all of your everyday tasks, from working out to tackling chores to sitting and standing for long periods. This Sparthos brace is slim and designed to be worn under your clothing without adding bulk or restrictions. Constructed out of breathable fabrics with dual adjustable compression straps, the brace easily moves with you. Flexible elastic mesh allows your skin to breathe, and it has enough give to accommodate plenty of movements. A series of firm support stays offer extra support without adding pressure. Because those stays are vertically placed, they also help the brace keep its shape. A removable lumbar pad lets you decide whether you'd like more or less lumbar support. Number 2. Mueller Lumbar Support Back Brace. It delivers concentrated support that can be changed and customized to suit your comfort level. The brace can offer a customized fit for both men and women, allowing you to adjust everything from the compression level to the support to the size and fit. Made out of breathable materials to keep you comfortable for the entire day, this back brace is constructed with a double-layer design. 4 flexible steel springs conform to the shape of your lower back, offering support, firmness, and stability. These same springs also help limit unwanted movement for extra comfort. A removable lumbar pad can either add or lessen the amount of cushioning in the brace. If you need increased compression, the pad can be a significant help. An internal molded plastic piece helps provide spine stability while keeping the brace from rolling, sliding, or bunching. Number 3. Free2 Back Brace. Tired of back braces that leave you sweaty and hot? The Free2 Back Brace can solve your biggest problem. This highly breathable brace is made to be lighter in weight and more breathable than other braces and their commonly used materials. This lower back brace is designed to relieve back pain with lightweight and airflow-ready mesh material. It's made with a 4-way stretch elastic material and 3D knitting technology that creates different compression levels for a superior fit and just a right comfort. The inner side of the brace features velvet-like fabric for softness. 4 aluminum stays and 2 steel springs offer 360 degrees of back support and alleviate pressure on your discs. 2 elastic straps help increase compression, and they're particularly helpful as you move throughout your day. Lastly, a set of 2 silicone anti-ski bands are found on the brace's waist, which keeps the brace from rolling or sliding up as you bend, twist, and move. Number 4. BackOffice Lower Back Brace. If you're searching for a back brace that delivers quality and quick relief, the BackOffice Lower Back Brace can deliver. Designed to provide nearly immediate back pain relief, this back brace is supportive, adjustable, and nicely compressive. It can soothe the aches and pain of common problems like scoliosis, herniated discs, and muscle pain. Constructed with 8 firm support stays and dual adjustment straps made with silicone and strong Velcro, this lower back brace is supportive and offers a customized fit for any waist. You'll maintain full range of movement while getting support where it's needed most. The brace material is lightweight and breathable, yet durable enough to survive daily wear and tear. A mesh panel even releases extra heat and moisture for more comfort. Best of all, the manufacturer of the BackOffice brace offers a 100% satisfaction guarantee. If you aren't happy with its results, you can get your money back. Number 5. Copper Compression Recovery Back Brace. The Copper Compression Recovery Back Brace is a product that's specifically designed to help you achieve pain relief. Copper has long been touted as a potential aid for back pain, and this brace incorporates the metal right into the construction and the fabric of your support system. This brace claims to have the highest copper content of copper back braces on the market. Instead of spraying the brace material with copper, the copper compression brace is woven together with copper. The metal is infused right into the nylon fibers used to make the brace, giving you 85% copper nylon. While you're wearing this brace, you may be able to relieve pain caused by herniated discs, sciatica, scoliosis, and pulled or slipped discs. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.